Okay. When the coal is processed in industry, we studied that we will get coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Let us study what are they and what are the uses and something about that. Okay. So first is coke. First is coke. Okay. It is a tough, porous and black substance. It is a tough, porous and black substance. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance. It is the pure form of coal or carbon. Okay, it is the pure form of carbon. It is the pure form of carbon. Coke is the pure form of carbon, and it is used for the manufacturing of steel. Okay, it is used for the manufacturing of steel. Then it is also used in the extraction of some metals in industries. Okay, for the extraction of some metals, coal is used. And we studied the first thing processed from coal, that is coke, and it is a black, tough, porous substance, and it is the fine form, or it is the pure form of carbon, and it is used for manufacturing steel, and it is also used for extracting metals in industries. Then second one, what is the second one? Second one is coal tar. Okay. Did you see coal tar? You might have seen coal tar. Previously, when a tarring on the road is happening in your village or in your places, that time in big tins you can see. Okay, and this is a black colored thick liquid. Okay, a black colored thick liquid with a unpleasant smell. Okay, it is having an unpleasant smell. It is a thick colored substance. Then it is a mixture of about 200 substance. It is the black colored thick liquid is the mixture of about 200 substance. Then some products we are getting from this coal tar. Okay, some product we are getting from the coal tar are used as the starting product in the starting product in some materials which we are using in our daily life or in industries. Okay, this some materials or the byproducts of coal is used as the starting material of some products we are using in our daily life or in industry. For example, you heard about synthetic dyes, then some drugs, then you heard about explosives, and in all this coal tar is used, or not coal tar, the byproduct or the byproduct of coal tar are used for as the starting material of some thing. Okay, some things, for example, synthetic dyes, drugs, and also explosive. Okay, these are different things which we are using in our daily life or in industries. Then You know naphthalene balls? Did you know naphthalene balls? If there is cockroach disturbance, the cockroach is giving you more disturbance in your home. The white or pink balls you will get in a packet from shop, and you will purchase and keep it to get rid of this cockroach insects. These naphthalene balls are kept to get rid of this type of insect. I think you may be knowing that it is also a byproduct of coal tar. Okay, it is obtained from coal tar. Then already we said metalling rods. Okay, previously it was used widely. Okay, all over India, many places it was used widely. The coal tar was used. Then nowadays a product called bitumen. Okay, now it is for metalling the roads. A product called bitumen is used. Okay, so this is all about coal tar. Okay, and it's a black, thick, and thick substance with the unpleasant smell. Then mixture of about 200 substance. Then the byproduct obtained from this is used as a starting material in some of the product which we are using in our daily life. For example, synthetic dyes, then explosives, and also some drugs. Then next we are going to deal with is coal gas. Coal gas. Okay, how coal gas is obtained? Coal gas is obtained when coke is processed from coal. Okay, the first product which we are processing from coal is coke. Okay, the pure form of coal. Okay, sorry, the pure form of carbon we are processing from coal. That is coke. When we are processing this, we will get coal gas. Okay, and it is used as a fuel in many industries near the coal processing unit or coal processing industry. Okay, it is used as a fuel in the industries which is near the coal processing industries. And in 1820, it was used as a source of light. Okay, used for burning street light in London. 1810. Okay, 1810 in London it was used as used for burning street light, and in 1820 in New York also they tried using this coal gas for burning street light. And now what happens? Now it is not used as a source of light. Instead, it is used as a source of heat. Okay, now it is not using as a source of light. Now it is used as a source of heat. Okay, and this is all about coal and other petroleum and natural gases. There we will discuss about in our coming class. Then this is all for today. Thank you. The next portion or the next part is dealing with refining of petroleum. Okay, refining of petroleum. So After refining from the surface, after refining from the under surface of earth or the down surface of earth, we will get a dark liquid with an unpleasant smell. That is called petroleum, and it is a mixture of many substances. It is a mixture of many substances like petroleum, gas, petrol, diesel, then lubricating oil, then paraffin wax, etc. Okay, it will be a mixture of many substances like petroleum, gas, diesel, petrol, lubricant, paraffin wax, etc. So, let us study more about that. Refining. What do you mean by refining? Refining. The process of refining the process of separating various fractions of petroleum is known as refining. Okay, the process of separating different substance from petroleum is called refining. The process of separating different substance from petroleum. And did you heard about refinery? Petroleum refinery. Okay, refinery is the industry or the big plant where the process of refining is happening or which is conducting. Many workers are working over there for the refining purpose of petroleum. And the place where it is conducting is called a refinery, petroleum refinery plant. And constituents of petroleum, which are the in products in petroleum, there are many other substances we studied. We are going to just have a look at it and what are the uses. Okay, first one I'm going to write constituents and constituents. Okay, LPG. Did you heard about LPG? First one, LPG. LPG is liquid petroleum gas. Liquid petroleum gas. Okay, it is used as fuel in home and also in industries. Okay, LPG, it is used as fuel in home and also in industries. Then petrol. Okay, you know what is petrol. So I'm just telling the use. Used as fuel in light vehicle, and also the first quality fuel is used as aviation fuel and also used as solvent for dry cleaning. Okay, it's also used as solvent for dry cleaning. Then kerosene. Kerosene. It is also somewhat like petrol. Petrol is wheatish color, and the kerosene is the color of water, or how the water look like. The same in some areas. Sometimes it is light blue. So kerosene, previously we were using it to light the lamps in our home. Okay, and in shops to burn the stoves they were used. And for jet airways, it is used as the fuel. Then diesel. What are the use of diesel? We already in the beginning of the chapter we studied that it is used as fuel in heavy vehicles. Okay, like trucks, tractors, buses, etc. And for generating electricity, also we are using in plants, and also in generator also we are using diesel. Then lubricating oil. Lubricating oil. For making lubricants. Okay. Lubricants. It is used for making lubricants. For the for some machinery, for the making the easy movement of the machinery, or avoid the one and turn of the machinery, some lubricants are used. For making that lubricants, this is used. Then paraffin wax. Paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is used in ointment, candle, Vaseline, etc. You see, when our skin got dried, we are using some Vaseline. Okay, that is the extracted form of this paraffin wax. And for making candles, some ointment. It is bitumen. Yesterday in the class, for the surfacing road we are using, I said bitumen is used nowadays. It's a product. It is a substance obtained from petroleum. So, and also bitumen is used in paint. Okay, bitumen is used in paint. So let us go to, I think you understand till here. Let us go to little more, and we will study about petrochemicals. And we will study about petrochemicals. What are petrochemicals? Okay. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. From petroleum and natural gas, many useful products are. We studied that petroleum is a combination of many substances. From that, many useful substances are obtained. Okay, this type of some of them are called petrochemicals. And for what it is used? It is used for the manufacturing of detergents. You use detergents in your home. Then some fibers, and for making polythene. Okay, for making detergent, and for making some fibers, and also for making polythene, and some other man-made plastic also. These things are used. Okay, for man-made plastic also these things are used. Then hydrogen gas. Okay, hydrogen gas. We are going to study about hydrogen gas. It is obtained from natural gas. Is used for the production of fertilizers. In our agriculture field, we are using fertilizers now. The fertilizer called urea. For the manufacturing of urea, this hydrogen gas is used. And you heard black gold. The word black gold. Black gold. Petroleum is also known as black gold because of its great commercial usage. Because of its great commercial usage, petroleum is known as black gold also. And today's class we studied about petroleum, and how petroleum, the figure is just saying where the petroleum is deposited and how the petroleum is deposited, and also how we are mining the petroleum using the wells. Then what are the substance of petroleum we studied, and what is refining, and what is refinery, and some constituents of petroleum we studied, and also what are petrochemicals, hydrogen gas, etc. we studied today. So my request is to my dear students, study it little by little. Not this video you can study in a just sitting at 20 minutes, you can study easily. So use the time, study it properly, and achieve your success. Thank you. And we will meet in another class. Thank you.